it's called Mr. Grip. It's a strip screw hole repair kit. So like if you're needing a screw has fallen out of something and out of your dresser or something, you can cut off a little piece of this. It's just a little piece of perforated aluminum, and it works good on wood, plastic, and metal. And you slide it down in the hole, and then put your screw back in it, and it will just tighten up in that hole. Then we also have this little kit of it's called precision screwdrivers, and they're very tiny, and they're good like for repairing watches and real small line cell phones, and it comes in a little pack, and you can keep it handy there for your small items. $3.79. And if you have a real tight spot that you need to be in and you can't really get a screwdriver to it, well, we have this little crooked offset screwdriver that will go in under something and also screw.